students, in this session we are going to learn a grammar part, that is how and where we use this and these, that and those. When we think about this, these, that, those, all known as demonstratives. Okay, this is a very big concept according to you. In this session we are going to just see where we can use this, these, that, those. When we think about it, we have to think in two ways. Which are they? We have to think according to singular and plural. At the same time, when these words we use to show or point the thing, place, person. Okay? So, we have to think over it. Is there anything or place or person close? When it is close, which words we can use? Or is that thing, person, place is far away? Okay. So now see here students, singular. When we think singular, first mind it well, we use all these words to show or point out the things, place, persons. Point out means show. Okay. Example, this is a pencil. I am showing that pencil. Okay. Means show or in point out. We use these words. And when, which thing, when these which things we are going to show, these things in form of singular we use this, that. When that thing is in the form of plural we use these and those. Understood? And when that things are close to us, at that time we use this singular form, this plural form. Okay. And when things are far away from us, at that time in singular form we use that, in plural form we use those. Understood? You have to remember that singular form this, plural form these. Things shows which are close to us. Singular form that, plural form those. Things shows which are far away from us. See the example for better understanding. This plural form. This is a chalk. This singular form as well as close to me. So I use this. Okay. Now see. I have more than one chalk, means plural form of chalks. So I use plural form. These are chalks which are again close to me, near to me. Understood? Means जो हमारे close है वो singular होता है तब हम this use करते हैं. जो हमारे क्लोज होते हैं और प्लूरल एक से ज्यादा होते हैं तब हम these यूज करते हैं. These are chalks. Understood? Now I put this chalk far away from me and what I say, singular form, that is chalk because it is far away from me. And when many chalks are here, what I say? Plural form, those. Those are chalks which are far away from me. Understood? Means अगर एक चौक है और वो मुझसे दूर है तो मैं क्या कहूँगी? That is chalk. एक से ज़्यादा है, प्लूरल फॉर्म में है और मैं दूर से उन्हें पॉइंट आउट कर रही हूँ तो क्या कहूँगी? Those are chalks. Understood? Now open your textbook on page number 47. This and these, that and those. Look at these pictures and read these sentences. We use this and these for naming words which are near us, close to us. Mind it well. This is an elephant. These are books. Singular form, plural form, which is near to us. We use that and those for naming words that are far from us. Means which having some distance from us. Understood? That is bird. Those are boats. See the distance. Okay? Singular form, plural form. For singular we use that, for plural we use those. We use this and that for naming words that mean one. This is a giraffe. That is a kite. We use these or those for naming words that mean more than one. These are pens, those are balloons. Understood? See. Now solve the questions. A. Fill in the blanks with this and these. See children. Here we have to just write according to singular form or plural form. Okay. Boy, singular, so this. Rose, singular, so this. Teddy bear, singular, so this. Bed, singular, so this. Cap, singular, so we use this. Chairs, plural form, so we write here these. Toys, plural form, these. Girls, plural form, these. Tables, plural form, these. Books, plural form, these. Change the page. Question B. Fill in the blanks with that or those. Birds, plural form, those. Packet, singular form, that. Book, singular, that. Puppy, singular, so that. Boat, singular, that. Bags, plural form, we use those. Ducks, plural form, those. Shoes, plural form, so those. Flags, those. Fans, those. Okay? Students, again I want to say you that mostly in the plural form we use s or es, and in the singular form we wrote it original form like book, and when we want to make plural we add s, books. Understood? According to that you have to write these, those, that, these. Okay? Take the correct words given in the bracket. Nikki, please paint this picture. Picture, singular form, so this. Dash aeroplane is up in the sky. Singular form, so that. These chairs are new. Chairs, plural, so these. You blow balloon, singular form. So this is correct. That peacock, because singular, on the roof of the house is beautiful. Clouds, plural form. So those. Now next, fill in the blanks with that or those. Hills, plural. So those. Hut, singular. That hut, singular. So right here that. Elephant, singular. So that. Birds, plural. So those. Students, you have to complete these pages today and write in your notebook tomorrow and send me the photocopy. Thank you.